in every household issues, and now they have become like anything. Now, what is the present situation? Present situation, as commercialization is occurring, the whole world, it has become a small globe. Whatever things are occurring at US or Japan, they are getting available within hours or days over here. The consumer market is full of the products. What's happening now as related to our profession? The expectations of everybody, family, society, spouse, children, everybody is soaring high. The newer graduate who is just passed out of this medical profession is expected to have a good hospital, a good vehicle with chauffeur, and all sorts of physical means within a short span of time. Reason being, other people who were colleagues with him, they have got all those things. Resulting in, within a short time, one needs to have more and more physical means. And the same thing is reflecting the practice, which is, as I said, it initially gone on the old days when doctors were supposed to next to God. Now, doctors are being seen as the traders. The relations between doctors and patients, they are sowing. And that's the reason the litigations against the doctors, they are increasing. And that's the reason Dr. Khurana said, apart from medicine, we need to know law also. Now, why ethical values are declining in a society? Now, people who are above 50 may not be applicable. Because in Maharashtra, the first private medical college was started in 84. People more than 50 years of age may not have experienced this thing. But as I'm saying, in newer people, what's happening to them? Medical education has become highly expensive. The one who is incurring so much of investment during education, after passing out, he has to build a nursing home. Now nursing home people, the society expects it has to be a 5-star. 5-star facility should be there. So much investment on building up nursing home. One doesn't do that much money. It has to be taken in terms of loan. Now those people, businessmen or nursing practitioners, if they send their words to medical profession, they expect this loan to be recovered fast. And that leads to malpractice, unethical practice. What happens? If suppose somebody, there should be some cause to lead to malpractice or unethical practice, and if somebody is engaging in doing this, there should be some control. Now, who should control this? The regulatory control, the bodies, we all know who all do these things. Who is inducing, stimulating? Drug company, vaccine industry. The laws. We all know more and more laws, they are being incurred, and doctors being the soft target, we are becoming the target. And the most important is the last, the failure of self-regulatory norms and introspection. It is our own concerns. With respect to Dr. Muyavan, she is a head of department at Lata Mangeshkar Medical College, a private medical college. Otherwise, I regards Dr. Tiwari sir, who has the courage to project this slide. See the situation in our country. The private medical colleges, they are mushrooming. Barring a few, they are owned by the politicians. And it is just the business. More and more you invest, more and more you try to take it out. What's happening? The students who are going over there, they are investing so much money, they try to take out that money. Selection of the student in medical college. If you happen to get not seen by me, it's okay. If you don't, then by capitation fee. The standard of the future professional is not by the merit, it is by money. What's happening to teachers? Teachers at government medical colleges, we know the situation, most of good teachers they are leaving. Private medical colleges, as they are run by single person or society, they would like to keep the teachers as per their will. What will happen to the teachers? They will be paid salaries or according to the contract basis. What will they do? They will do the work as per their salary or as per the whims of the society or the person. Now what's happening to sincere teachers? They are made to leave. Why this slide is important? Because all the ethical values, moral values a graduate learns is from the teachers or the seniors. If the situation in the medical college, if the situation among the teachers like that, the culture they will be imbibing to the future graduates is reflecting in the ethical behavior of the graduates. We are all proud of our medical colleges where we did our undergrad. We all celebrate our decades, the golden jubilee or the silver jubilee or the alumni. See the things. Now these are becoming the factors of qualitatively substandard graduates. They may be very good at commerce, how to earn money, how to make money. One of the factors is to control the unethical practice, and one of the regulatory bodies is NCI or the DCI. Now it is beginning, the bill is put to the standing committee of parliament. NCI is going to be resolved, NCI is to come into action. What's happening? How many times could a practitioner be punished? As it is written as a toothless tiger. We are going to name the person, Dr. Ketan Shah. Again, I came to know he is again at COP. Dr. Jok sir may be knowing. Dr. Ketan Shah is again at some COP.
He is the president of the International Medical Association.
Yeah. He is the president of International Medical Association. That's why we say, Mera Bharat Mahan.
International Federation.
How pharmaceutical industry or the vaccine industry will hate to reduce unethical practice. See, if you calculate, only 250 essential drugs are there. One needs to practice with only 250 drugs. And what the situation? More than 1 lakh brands are there. 10 to 12,000 companies are working. Out of these, 90% in combination, fixed dose combination, and most of them are irrational. In such a competitive commercial world, if one has to establish the brand, what will happen? The person will be given incentives. Now, incentives will be in the form of either donation, gift, sponsorship. Remember, the fresh graduate who has passed his graduation with so much of donation, loan from the bank, who has built the hospital again with loan. The term was in apostrophe as indefinite physicians. One of the ways is from the pharma company. So So this pharma company is to be held responsible. Vaccination. Most of the times, we keep on talking now with the infectious diseases.